My name's Catherine, and today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to get your minivan ready to go camping. If you're doing like boondocking, or it's too cold to sleep in a tent, I'm using the shelving units. These are 4 foot long by 2 feet. Comes in. It's a 5-tier shelving unit. Got it over at Lowe's, and it's perfectly in the van. Let me show you how quick and easy it is to get everything up and running and out the door as soon as possible. So if we've already put everything together for your legs, for this, for queen size, you're going to want 4 of these. What I like about the shelving unit is that it has these T-grooves right here that it goes into both sides and can connect it to make it more sturdier. I've got all 4 of them in. Plugging it. While I'm letting that fill up, I'm going to start putting the stuff I need to go camping underneath. Look at all the storage that I have. Now you can cut these legs down and give them the height that you need. I do know that this might be too tall for my air mattress, so we're just going to work it out so that you guys can see. I will eventually cut these down lower so that I can fit the mattress in. everybody need a tent. You always do. It's good to have them. Little cooler. Don't forget some clothes. Beautiful blanket. Like I said, a little bit, not enough headroom. Lower the legs a little bit. These do support the weight. Happy camping. Well, it's not too bad. It's just a little too claustrophobic.
I don't mind that. It's like a that one thing when we went to the cabin, I had to sleep on the bunk bed.
Yeah.
That's how tight that is.
I don't know, I kind of liked it a little bit lower. Did you want to try it out?
I'm good.
No, just try it out, just a little bit. Got the cooler, and that didn't take very long.
What is crawling on my legs?
You're still filming. Okay, so let's deflate this and see what happens.
Can you cut that out?
I'll try it out.
I said cut that out.
Another idea that's pretty good is you get the camping mats, little pad. Got this for Chase Lounge, just for one person. It's perfect to sleep on when you didn't have a mat. And you can get this at Lowe's as well. It is it's a roll of insulation. It comes in a giant roll like this. And you just cut it to size. You want the lines to go up and down so it holds its shape. Because if you put it in this way, it's not going to. I cut these to fit the windows to help keep the heat out. And I'm going to make those just a little bit sturdier. So when I get the total van up and running for the camping trip, I will show you what I did. Check back with us later for the next video. Well, that's it for today. Well, that's it for today. This makes a great idea for going to the drive-in movies, taking the kids. Hey, look it. They could sleep under here. It'd be like a bunk bed. I'm all set to go camping, stealth camping. I could go, you know, I want to get away for the weekend and do a little bit of shoots. I have to, I don't have a camper and your minivan. This minivan is a town and country, and yeah, it doesn't look so pretty on the outside, but it's spacious inside. All the seats are stow and go, so they fold up into the floorboards real nice. It does have a little slope to it. It's not that bad, but hey, it does have the storage. So get out there, explore, and have fun. And use the things you have at home. Real simple to put it together. Real simple. Even the kids could do it. Next video. Have a great day. Can you lower that for me?
Yeah.
Trunk. Lower the trunk.
Okay. Hold on. It's not on. Got it. All that.
Happy camping.